Have you ever thought when you're walking in the forest today, or any day, where you're walking, if you're treading on a young sapling struggling to survive, an insect, a cold-blooded invertebrate, a mushroom, and you're walking above ground, what is below ground? The worldwide wood web of mycelium, interconnectedness, network of mycelium, interconnecting to other trees. Through the waters, you're walking above ground, there is water below ground. Being mindful in consciousness of where we walk and what we do is most important in our life. Connect with your walk and consciousness.